Good morning. I can't hear you. Great, that's the spirit that I want. So, before we begin to our tour, let us start with a short moments of silence and prayers to guide us throughout today's journey. Thank you. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shara and I will be your tour guide for today's adventure. And also, I'd like to introduce the person who will be taking us to our all destinations, our amazing coach, Kuya Leo. Siya po ang bahala sa ating smooth at safe na biyahe. As we travel together, feel free to relax and enjoy the view of General Santos City, the home of champion. So, for today's itinerary, we will be exploring several key destinations, each offering a unique glimpse into the historical, culture, and beauty of General Santos City. Throughout the tour, I will be sharing stories, fun facts, and small jamming moments along the way para hindi tayo mabagot sa biyahe. And also, if you need help, whether it's about places, taking pictures, or anything, just let me know. But before we start, let's have the head count first. Starting with you, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Great, we're all 30 and complete. But lastly, let me go over some important protocols that ensures that everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. Number 1, stay with the group, follow instructions, mind your belongings, and lastly, watch your step. So, since you are traveling to our first destinations, allow me to tell you the history of General Santos City. General Santos City is a highly urbanized city in the Philippines Soxargen region located in the southern coast of Mindanao. It is known as the tuna capital of the Philippines and the home of champion due to its tuna industry and the boxing icon Manny Pacman Pacquiao. It represents the city's identity as a tuna capital of the Philippines. The area originally called the Diagas by the native Blaan people was first established as a settlement called Alagao, now Barangay Lagao. General Santos City history began with the settlement of Christian settlers led by General Paulino Santos in 1939 on shores of Sarangani Bay. So, here we are to our first destinations, the Queen Tuna Park, known as the most accessible public beachfront in General Santos City, offering a locals and visitors a place to relax and enjoy the sea breeze. It represents the city's identity as the tuna capital of the Philippines, serving as a tribute to the fishing industry and the hardworking fisherfolk who helped shape Jensen history. Then next, we had the Makar Wharf. Makar Wharf is the port of General Santos City, the Philippine Sea gateway to the Soxargen region, situated in Deep Harbor in Sarangani Bay. It is bustling economic hub handling significant domestic and international cargo and passengers, and is a major center of the local fishing industry, especially tuna. So our third destination is the Mount Sabrina Panoramic View Resort. It's located in Barangay Tumbler. Mount Sabrina sits on hill overlooking the vibrant landscape of Jensan and the wide beauty of Sarangani Bay. Next, the Fishport Complex, the tuna capital of the Philippines. These ports serve as the major fishing hub in Mindanao and is key to trade across the East Asia growth area. So the next is Sarangani Highlands. It's a famous hilltop garden resort located in Barangay Tumbler. It offers a breathtaking panoramic views of Sarangani Bay, the city's skyline and nearby mountains like Mount Matutum. Opened in 2007, the place is known for its beautiful landscape gardens, peaceful ambience, and romantic atmosphere. And last but not the least, the Boombills Pig is a popular garden and restaurant in General Santos City, known for its scenic views, vibrant bougainvillea flowers, and relaxing atmosphere. Located in Purok Walda Talfandi, Barangay Tambler. So that concludes our fantastic journey here. I hope you enjoyed the sights, sounds, and experiences as much as I did sharing them with you. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and don't forget to share your favorite moments on social media and tag us. We'd love to see your photos. Before we say goodbye, let me introduce myself. I'm Shara, your tour guide for today's adventure. And I'd like to thank our amazing coach, Kuya Leo, for safely getting us to all the incredible destinations. Thank you again for your company and cooperation throughout the tour. We hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day and safe travels wherever you're headed next. Thank you once again. Goodbye.